This all-new Toyota Highlander Limited Platinum is lower and wider with a more sophisticated design. It offers exceptional comfort, power, and carrying capacity and will get you and your family anywhere you want to go. Riding on 20-inch alloy wheels, the Platinum features a rear spoiler, roof rails, a shark fin antenna, a skid plate, and rear privacy glass. Opening the hatch reveals a larger cargo bay along with fold-in-the-floor third-row seating and a convenient power lift gate. From the driver's side, the new design is more aerodynamic and features a black grille with chrome trim, LED headlights, LED running lights, and fog lights. Inside, the Platinum features a unique seat design, climate control AC, power heated and cooled seats, power windows and locks, dynamic radar cruise control, a heated steering wheel, a power panoramic glass roof, push-button start, and a premium JBL 12.3-inch display audio system with Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, navigation, and a backup camera. The passenger compartment is equally plush and offers second-row heated captain chair seating with fold-down armrests and adjustable seats. Power comes from a 295 horsepower V6 engine mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Stop by today and test drive this impressive Blizzard Pearl Toyota Highlander luxury SUV. We're located at 1200 Litre Road in Kelowna.